What is going on, guys? Today is a very special day. You might be saying, why? Look at my subscriber count. We are finally halfway to our main goal of 1,000 subscribers. So we are now at 500, and that is crazy huge for me. I never thought I would get to see a number like that. I thought I was only gonna hit like 25, but we are getting closer to our goal, and that is awesome. Gonna head out to AutoZone, Advanced Auto, I don't know which one I put my GPS to, because I need to get a drying rack because I'm gonna wash the car, we're gonna do some edits, we're gonna have a good time. It's gonna be dope. Made it to AutoZone. It's a really good smoothie place, like right behind AutoZone. So I'm gonna go get my drying towel and then I'm gonna get a smoothie because I like those. Going to AutoZone, thinking I'm gonna buy just like one big extra large cleaning cloth drying towel thing. Apparently they don't just sell one. I've got 6 of them. I was expecting to spend around $10. I spent $10 on 6 of them, so I guess I'm not too upset about it, but I didn't think I would get like 6 of them today. We got the smoothie, we got the towels. Next stop is to go to the car wash, talk about some future plans with you guys, make some edits, take some pictures, and then, you know, just living some lives. At the car wash, gonna, you know, wash the car. I really have a hard time cleaning the wheels on this car, and I guess I just need to pick up a chemical to clean them off. So Rev Auto, if you guys are watching my video, just send some shit my way. So I'm washing my car, right? And you know, you put on the foaming brush, and I wasn't getting very foamy, but I didn't really think anything of it. I was like, maybe too much chemical, whatever, the mix is wrong. I just happened to look up at the ceiling, look up, get a face full of whatever soap is in there. The lines are completely busted. So there's lines going above the ceiling, I guess that's how it gets from each one, and I looked up and just pouring on me. So now I need a shower, because I smell like weird car soap now in my face. I know nothing about drying towels, but these drying towels that I got, the Pro Elite, see why they sell them in 6-packs. It took me 2 to dry my car, and I didn't even dry it like completely. Well, completely amazingly good, but it takes 2. Really good towels though. They dry everything up really quick. I really hope you guys like my edit. It is super hot out here, and that's pretty much the kind of edit I wanted to do. A little bit more than I usually do, and just try to focus a little bit more on quality there. We'll see how I get when I edit it, because I have trouble editing my edits because I don't have the correct, like, the best video editing software ever. So it's a little bit tough. I really wish I had another cameraman or someone that had a car here that could help me film rollers so I could do really cool driving edits too. But I don't know anyone around here. So if you guys are around like the Madeira Beach area, Tampa, hit me up if you have camera stuff and you can help me doing rollers and edits and stuff, because that would be super cool, because that's something I definitely really want to do. It's kind of cool where I'm sitting right now because it's like the water, and every once in a while a wave comes and it like crashes and it hits like onto the parking lot. I don't know why I think it's super cool, but it is. I'm not gonna film outside because there's a lot of people fishing and it's really hot out, and I don't really wanna go back out there right now. This is just a little thing. So 67 videos later, 65 of them being car related, we hit 500 subscribers. Now, personally, I think I put up maybe my 5th video, my 5th car video, and I had like 5 subscribers. And I thought that was super cool that people were actually watching my videos, and I got like 7 views and I was like, wow, 7 people actually found my video and watched it. I thought it was super cool. And then progressing on, I remember when I hit my first 100, and I was like, that is insane. Like, imagine this. I'm talking to a camera right now. Whoa, look at that bird. It didn't focus on the bird. But imagine like standing in front of 100 people and just talking. Thinking about it, that's a lot of people. And I have a really hard time talking in front of crowds, so I don't think I'd be able to talk in front of 100 people. But having 500 subscribers to me is super cool. My main goal is to hit that 1,000. Why? Because 1, it's 4 digits, that's badass, right? And 2, that's when YouTube actually starts kicking in and starts helping out with us small channels. Once you hit that 1,000, you're gonna start getting promoted more, and we're gonna start getting views, and that's when the big changes are gonna start coming. Now, my dream is to get that first YouTube paycheck and spend it either on quality or spend it on my car. I want it to revolve around you guys. Now, that might sound cheesy, it might say what everyone says, but I want to keep everything interesting for you guys. I like quality a lot. That's why I ended up, this is my, I think, 4th camera since I started this channel, and I like having better quality. Cameras are just really expensive, that's why I don't have a DSLR yet. But man, 500 guys is unreal. So when I was on the other side of the bridge, when I was taking pictures, you could see on the other side of the bridge, there's a really cool pier, and I was gonna go try to record over there, and I found a parking lot, and I was gonna go walk over there, but it's super windy because, you know, there's an ocean right there, and there's no like breakers or anything. So it's way too windy to record over there, so I'm not gonna do that. But yeah, guys, I just want to say again, thank you for 500 subscribers. I couldn't do this without you guys, obviously, because you guys are the ones subscribing to my channel. So without you guys, I wouldn't have any subscribers. That makes sense. At 1,000, I am planning to do a giveaway. I'm not sure how big of a giveaway it's gonna be, depending on what everything else is looking like at the time. But at 1,000, I do want to do a giveaway because that's something I do want to do, because I think giveaways are awesome and it gives initiative to watch, you know. So if you guys subscribe, you know, 1,000 subscribers, we're gonna do a giveaway. Maybe to 5 people, maybe to 10 people, maybe to 100 people, maybe all of you guys. I don't know. We'll see. I just think it's crazy that this car brought me so much more than just a smile on my face and a car to drive. I gained a lot of friends through Instagram, through YouTube, and I just think that's a super cool thing. I got this car and I was like, you know what? I actually want to do everything myself here. I want to modify it more. I know I don't have too much done. I am planning to do a lot more. Just when the time is right, mods will come. As you guys know, I'm in Florida, and I don't really have a space to work on my car here at all. I just have a parking lot that's very sloped, and I really can't work on my car there. But mods will come, so right now is a very good saving period, and it's a good time to learn how to vlog better. But 67 videos later, 500 subscribers, I think by the end of the year, we're gonna hit that 1,000, and that is gonna be a crazy milestone. We got more videos planned. I am gonna end the video here because I really don't have much more to say except for thank you, and I don't think you guys want to see like a 20-minute video of just me saying thank you, so we are going to end the video here. But again, guys, thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and do all that fun shit. You guys have been here for 65 videos. You guys should know what doing the fun shit is. If you're new, doing the fun shit, commenting, liking, subscribing, and sharing my videos. Keep doing you guys. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.